In this video, I will explain how you can overcome fear or anxiety with journaling. I left job in 2024 and I came across fear, the fear of the unknown. But whenever I did journaling, I got courage to be on my path to make my dreams come true. Do not consider journaling as an ordinary thing because it changes your brain. It activates some crucial parts of your brain which can give you creativity, innovation, and problem solving. It can be a therapist. It can be a motivator. It can become your inspirational hero. It can become your mentor. Journaling can become your invisible power. Why? Because see the limbic brain, what I'm trying to talk here about limbic brain. This limbic brain is where everything is stored. Actually, we think with prefrontal cortex, and with this prefrontal cortex, we can't find solutions to our problems because we only think about present. But when you make sense of your past, when you understand present, and when you know where you are going in future, when you have this bigger picture, you will have answers, you will make sense of all the things which are happening to you. But this information is stored in limbic brain, and normally we don't have an access to this limbic brain. But with the journaling, you can have this access. How you can do that? 3 steps. 1. Make space. 2. Treat the blank page as your friend. 3. Write a letter to yourself. Let's get started. Make space. Nowadays we are living a multitask life, right? We watch television while looking at our cell phone. We eat while talking to someone, and we do our work keeping the newsfeed open. This habit of multitasking makes us uncomfortable for journaling because journaling forces you to focus on you, and you cannot write without thinking, and you cannot think without making a space. For journaling, you have to make space. At least for a few moments, you have to keep aside all the things which are going in your life. You have to be with yourself, you have to be alone, and this is how you make space for journaling. Step number 2. Treat blank page as your friend. When you look at the blank page, you might say that I have never written, I am not a writer. In exams only I have written, and there also I had questions, but now I had nothing. How can I write? This question is legit, that I can understand that if someone is not a writer, how you can write. But if you see you're writing constantly, you write mails, you write messages, captions, status, all these are writings only. But simple thing you can do, you can treat this blank page as your friend. Remember last time you met your friend, after a long time, you rushed to the place and you started with the big cheer and you talked, expressed yourself as if there is no tomorrow. You stopped thinking and you just talked to him. You express yourself wholeheartedly. All emotions, that is what is applicable here in journaling. When you look at the blank page, treat this blank page as your friend and start with force. With whatever comes to your mind, just write it down. You can erase that thing, but you can just write it down. This is how you start your journaling. Step number 3. Write a letter to yourself. Imagine your friend is going through the tough situation and he received the major setback or failure, and you are trying to inspire him. You are trying to motivate him. What you will do? Get into that particular mode and write a letter to yourself as if some older friend, some friend is talking to you. Write in that manner. You will see that initially, first few sentences you will express your thoughts about your worries, about your problems, about your fears. Then in the middle you will express your emotions and you will name your emotions. When you will name your emotions that particular time, these emotions lose power over you. When you understand your emotion, that time you lose the grip of your emotions on you, and you regulate emotions here. Because the higher part of you has started to emerge, which is looking at your life, looking at your situation objectively, and you are getting access to the limbic brain where everything is stored, which is also responsible for creativity, innovation, problem solving. And when this thing happens, that time you will see everything in a different light. You will make sense of whatever happening to you. You will make sense of everything, of the information of your life, and you will get wise solutions to your problems. I can talk this for a whole day, but if you are experiencing this on your own, then I can assure you that you will never put this tool down, because journaling is such a powerful tool which can be our companion, and which can help us to have clarity when we are confused, which can help us to be motivated when we are depressed, which can help us to lift us up when we have failed. It can literally help you achieve your goals. And this is what journaling is capable of. You can comment below if you have any questions about journaling, and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for becoming a leader in your life. Thank you very much.